Hey everybody, TPC here, and we're going to demo our 500 watt meat grinder today. We've got some chuck roast and some top sirloin, and they're partially frozen. We're going to chop them up and put them through the grinder, see how it works. Okay, we've got our meat all cubed up. Inch and a half cubes. Everything just came out of the freezer, ready to go, nice and cold. We're going to load up the hopper up here and start putting the meat through. Okay, on here we've got off, and then you just click it to the left for reverse. You got the stuffing function and grind down here on the bottom. We're going to turn this on to grind, start grinding some meat. Now, while the meat's still cold, we're going to run it back through on a fine grind and get it ready to make burger patties and chili for the Chili Dog cook-off. And that's some really good looking hamburger right there. Gonna make some patties, and then we'll start on the chili video too. This is the meat 500 watt grinder, and it works pretty good on frozen meat. And the pieces parts clean up in about 5 minutes. I got myself 4 nice big burgers that we're gonna have for dinner tonight. And this is the meat for the chili, for the chili dogs. This has got a plastic top on it, and then we're going to cover it up and put it in the fridge. And these are probably going to be the best burgers you will ever have when you grind your own. I'll show you how they turned out. And as you can see, they're getting a nice crust on them. And some cheese. And that's a burger, my friends.